the recap for February 9th. Uh, what a horseshit day. The market, only had like a 1,500 point range. Before you had a low here of 36 half, and we had a high at 2051.75. They never filled the gap, never went up and took these out. So usually, what happens on things like that, they do it overnight. But this is a horseshit. It's just horseshit day today. I mean, no volume, half of Friday's volume, and both sides are unfinished. Both sides. All right. So I don't know what to tell you. I'm still bullish. The market is, in a consolidation mode. I kind of thought that this morning when I saw this gray area. So if I put this back together, see how it kind of fills in. So it's still telling me that it's got to fill in down in here. Remember, I said this is unfinished. So I take a look at that, and then of course, now you got all this up here, and then this that's not done. So it's going to be two-sided trade till all this stuff gets out of the way. And I didn't think that. I mean, tomorrow they got jolts. The jolts. I mean, is that the big deal tomorrow? I don't know. So if that's we got Redbook at 855, Small Business Optimism Index, jolts, wholesale trades. Wednesday, NBA purchasing applications, EI Petroleum, Treasury budget at 2 p.m. Thursday's the big day. Jobless claims, retail sales, Bloomberg consumer confidence, business inventories, EI natural gas report. It was a horseshit trade today. Horseshit. So, and I got stubborn on top of it. But guess what? Our bull bear zone, did it hold or what? At 51? Look at this. Couldn't get back through it. Couldn't get back through it. And I put that out, and I didn't get out of my trade. I got stubborn. So, all right. Anyway, we go on to tomorrow. Still bullish. This is typical. You get in, and well, I talked about this morning how it could just rally right from the opening, and it basically did that. Went up, it rallied to up to 51.75, made the high, retreated a little bit down into here, came back up, tested it again, sat here, tested it again, and like an idiot, I needed the hammer to fall on me. Um, and the problem was when I looked at this, I said earlier in the day, really early in the day, that the bottom wasn't finished. So it was a horseshit trade, horseshit, no volume, and the profile didn't fill in on either side. So tomorrow will be better luck, better performance, hopefully. All right, we were bullish oil today. It's another one. It opened up, rallied, took out one of the things that we were looking at. We were looking for 54 and a quarter. Made a high of 53.99. Okay, so it took out these two areas that I was talking about earlier, and then it's been selling off ever since into the value area. Never threatened our bull bear zone of 51.99. So still bullish on oil right now. I'm still bullish on it. Bonds also we were negative, and it kept selling off today. Okay, kind of sat in a range all day, and then at the end of the day, it sold off and got outside of value. All right, and then gold, we were neutral, I think, and basically gold sat in a range all day, right in here. It went down, touched the bull bear zone, rallied off of it, and it kind of these two purple lines are the first 5 minutes, so it basically closed unchanged. Um, Going back to our call, when I say that the market has an up bias, the problem is the market was down 900 points, but on the day we were um, closed, I believe, unchanged. So If you look at the opening print, well, I can see right here. Here was the high of the 2047 half, and the low was 2042 and a quarter. I think the opening print, go to 830 here. Opening print was 2042.75, and we're trading 43.75. So the up bias was correct. I mean, I'm splitting hairs with you, but at the end of the day, you could have bought them down here, but it was not a very good trade. The profile was not filled in. It was very slow and no volume. I mean, literally, not a lot of volume. Let me go in. In fact, I'm going to look it up right now if I still got it. Let's go ES settlement. All right, 1,1,280,000, which is half about what we've been doing. So it was really a bad day. Settlement was 20,042 half. So it had opened and closed on the opening print. All right. All right. So let's see what overnight brings us. I'm bullish. I don't know. There was news that Obama's going to ask Congress for special powers to go after ISIS and use force and a lot of different things coming out today. But it was just a slow day. I think it was just based on this news day. So or whatever. There's jolts. The jolts is it has to do with jobs, and that's about it. All right, everyone have a good night. I'll talk to you later, and go Hawks. I'm going to go on a hockey game tonight. Talk to you later. Bye.